Hello, what lies have you been told about PayPal payments in Nigeria and withdrawals? The truth about PayPal payments and withdrawals in Nigeria is what I'm talking to you about in this video. What most people get wrong. You can open a Nigerian PayPal account, link a card, and pay on foreign websites. That part works. You can use a Nigerian PayPal account to receive money like normal PayPal users do. Nigeria remains effectively sent only, which is why people say they can't withdraw. There's usually nothing to withdraw. There's no official direct withdrawal to Nigerian banks' accounts from a Nigerian registered PayPal. PayPal's own country feature list omit Nigeria for payout, receiving or withdrawal, and support threats confirm receiving is unavailable. Opening a PayPal account in another country or using a VPN with a mismatched address violates PayPal's rules and risks limitation or closure of your account. To accept money from PayPal users, use intermediaries that legally settle to Nigeria, e.g., certain payment processors or remittance services, or have a properly registered business in a PayPal-supported country. What Nigerians can do with PayPal today? You can pay online internationally, and this works well. You can create a PayPal account with Nigeria as a country. You can link an eligible Visa, MasterCard, Naira or USD from your bank to fund purchases. PayPal charges your card when you check out. Advantages: there's extra fraud protection, buyer protection on eligible purchases, and the ability to avoid sharing card details with merchants. Then you can send money to other PayPal users. This has limited utility. You can send to someone who has a PayPal account in a fully supported country. This doesn't fix the receiving in Nigeria gap, but it works for family or vendors abroad. You can use Zoom, a PayPal service, for remittances to Nigeria. Friends or clients abroad can use Zoom to send to your Nigerian bank account, cash pickup or mobile reload. This Zoom I'm talking about is X, not Z. X, X for X-ray. So cash pickup or mobile reload. Even if you don't have a PayPal, it's remittance real, not a PayPal balance withdrawal. Here are why Nigerians are such a headache. Why withdrawals are such a headache. Receiving is off by design for Nigeria. If your account doesn't receive money, you don't build a PayPal balance to withdraw. PayPal's only developer availability and support responses points to Nigeria being outside the receive plus withdraw corridor. Then, bank linking rules are strict. PayPal generally requires the bank to be in the same country as your PayPal account, with limited exceptions. A Nigerian registered PayPal can't just add a foreign bank for withdrawals. So, workarounds: risk account limitation. Creating a PayPal in a different country without living there or using a mismatched address is explicitly against policy and gets you limited or even banned. So any money that is in your account becomes frozen. The bottom line: if you somehow get a refund into your Nigerian PayPal, you can usually spend it online but not withdraw to a Nigerian bank. There's no official local cash out part exposed for Nigerian accounts today. But I heard Nigerian businesses can accept PayPal. This is a nuance. Some processors outside Nigeria said merchants accept PayPal and settle locally. In 2021, African Gateways announced PayPal acceptance for some markets. However, Flutterwave's own frequently asked question states Nigerian merchants can't receive PayPal payments via their rails for now. If a Nigerian says I accept PayPal via flutterwaves. They've likely enabled it for a different country profile, which you shouldn't do unless you are legitimately registered there. Safe, legal ways Nigerians can still benefit and even get paid. Number one way is to sell globally. Get paid locally. No PayPal required. This offer international clients card checkout or bank transfer using Nigerian-friendly processors, e.g. Paystack, Flutterwave for cards. You won't use PayPal at all. This is often the cleanest route in practice. Let your clients use PayPal. Settle to you via other rails. Ask overseas clients to pay your invoice link, processor, marketplace using their card or Apple Google Pay. Many clients prefer PayPal, but cards are widely accepted and protect them too. Alternatively, clients can use Zoom to deposit into your Nigerian bank directly. This is fully above board and it is quick. The Zoom again is X, not Z. Then use marketplaces that handle PayPal on the back end. Platforms like Upwork, Etsy, via intermediaries, course platforms, etc. This may accept PayPal from customers, but settle your earnings via bank transfer or partner payouts that reach Nigeria. Check each platform's payout options for Nigeria. If you truly need PayPal acceptance yourself, form a legitimate business in a supported country with real presence, local bank, tax ID, open a business PayPal for that country, accept PayPal there and remit profits to Nigeria via standard cross-border methods. Do not falsify your residence. PayPal's rules require accurate country information. So, common myths about PayPal being debunked. Some people, myth number one is that some people say, I will use a VPN. Use a VPN to open a PayPal in another country. In reality, this violates policies. Accounts often get limited when documents don't match. Myth number two is just link Payoneer and withdraw. I've read about this also online. I've seen people talk about this. In reality, PayPal doesn't officially support withdrawing to Payoneer as a bank link for most non-US accounts. Success is inconsistent and risky. Even Payoneer's own docs cast doubt on e-wallets to Payoneer withdrawals working reliably. Myth number three is that Nigerian merchants can enable PayPal via Flutterwave and get paid. But in reality, Flutterwave's frequently asked question says Nigerian merchants can't receive PayPal at the moment. If you see it working, it's typically a different country setup. Myth number four is that you can withdraw a Nigerian PayPal balance to any bank. In reality, withdrawals generally require a bank in the same country as the PayPal account. Nigeria isn't on PayPal's list of countries with receive-withdraw corridors. Now here, practical checklist if you just want to buy online. Open a Nigerian PayPal, link your card, pay safely on global sites. Simple. If you want to get paid by overseas clients, no PayPal on your side. Use a local processor, checkout link, cards, or ask clients to use Zoom to your bank. The Zoom again is X, not Z. If you absolutely require PayPal acceptance under your name, establish a real compliant presence in a PayPal supported country. Like if you're in Nigeria, I think PayPal is supported in Ghana. So move to Ghana, stay there, open a business there, register your PayPal there, link it to the local bank in Ghana. So when you receive on PayPal, it will be moved to your Ghana's local bank. Then from there, it can be transferred to the Nigerian bank. So this is what you can do. If you absolutely require PayPal acceptance under your name, establish a real compliant presence in a PayPal supported country. Entity bank, then tax. Anything else, risk account limitation. When we talk about account limitation here, the money that will be in the account will be frozen. They will not allow you to have access to it depending on so many factors. Why this keeps feeling confusing? Nigeria got official PayPal access back in 2014, but as send only, and expectations set then never fully shifted. Many app pages are global and read as if receiving works everywhere. The country-specific realities differs. Third-party blog posts often mix older anecdotes with current rules, which change over time. The safest compass remains PayPal's own policies and the explicit statement from payment partners that serve Nigeria. This is the final word on it. As of August 30, 2025, the reliable policy compliant way to benefit from PayPal in Nigeria is to use it for paying. So you can have your PayPal account and then use it to make payments, send money to people anywhere abroad, but you cannot use it to receive. And also to use non-PayPal rails to receive, like card checkouts, bank transfers, or zone remittances. So if people are sending money to you, make sure they use other methods, but you can send money out through PayPal. So you open a PayPal account, you link your account with it, then you can send money to people out there through PayPal, but you can't receive money in Nigeria through PayPal. So any shortcut that involves fake addresses, foreign accounts without real presence, or unsupported bank links is risky and can get your funds stuck. So if you are, some people will say, hey, you can do this, you can do that. There's somebody somewhere that will open the PayPal for you in another country, maybe in USA or Ghana, then they are doing it online. The person can receive your money, and if the money is just small money, you can give you your own share. The person will take a percentage and give you the remaining. But if the money is huge, the person can decide not to give you a dime, and there's nothing you can do about it. So get your funds. Or unsupported bank links is risky and can get your funds stuck. If you tell me how you prefer to bill one-off invoices, online store, subscriptions, tutoring, I can mark out a step-by-step Nigerian-friendly payment stack for your exact situation. No gray areas needed. So this is what I have for you at this moment. How you can make money from PayPal and how you can benefit from PayPal at this time. I've taken my time to give you an elaborate explanation on PayPal. My own advice is that I don't even use PayPal. I have PayPal for payout and I've used it before, but since they said it's not acceptable, and the process is that you cannot really argue with them. Once your account is with them, once they block your account, and then you are the one that will bear the brunt. So the best thing is to stay clear of PayPal if you can, if you have other options, except if there's no other option. So for Nigeria, if you want to receive payments, you cannot through PayPal at this time. Other people will tell you that, oh, we can do this for you, can do this for you. They are all fake, and at the end of the day, they get your funds locked out. So beware. I will talk to you in the next one. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video with family and friends, and keep coming back to this channel for more. Until I come your way in the next one, this video popping up by your other side from my channel is another video you should go ahead and watch now. See you in the next one, and bye bye.